Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video today I'm going to quickly show you how to create dice links on Monopoly Go. So let's get into the video. So firstly, launch your Monopoly Go app. So open up your Monopoly Go. So once you've opened up your app here, so what you're going to do, you're going to hit on this Friends tab here on your bottom right. So click on the Friends tab there. So once you hit on this Friends tab here, you will have these three tabs here. So Add Friends, Timeline and Leaderboard. So go to Add Friends. And then here you'll see an option called invite. So what you have to do is simply click on the invite option. So when you click on the invite option, so you'll have, this is your dice, I see here is your dice here. So this is here where you generate the link. So what you have to do, you have to hit on this invite option here. So when you click on this invite option, it will generate a link. So which it will generate a link. So this link can now, you can simply copy that link. So that's it. So the link is now copied. So you have already successfully generated a link and then you have copied it. Now you can share this link to anyone you want or use it however you want to. So that's how you can generate a dice link. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.